How to transfer money from Venmo to Varo. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you to the steps on how you can transfer money from Venmo to Varo. Well, the process is a bit complicated. What you can do is first you'll have to add the bank account, your Varo account. You'll have to link it or add it to your Venmo account, and then you can initiate a transfer. To do so, first open up Venmo. You'll be on the home screen as you can see on the screen right here. Then you want to scroll down a bit below on the home page and you should be able to find the option that says add a bank or card option. You can also tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right and then head into payment methods and head into add a bank or card. You can tap on it and this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you want to simply tap on bank option, and then you can see here you can either go through instant bank verification or verify bank manually instead, and go through the prompts to enter in the details of your borrow bank, and you can add in and initiate the transfer as you wish to later on. This is how you can transfer money from Venmo to Varo. You'll have to link the bank account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.